A mural made of triangular tiles has an area of 1750 centimeters squared. Okay. So one of these triangles has height that is 3 centimeters longer than it is base of 2 centimeters. So if this is 2, height that is 3 centimeters longer than its base of 2 centimeters. So that means this is equal to, right? It's equal to 5. So area of one triangle then is half times base times height. So that gives you exactly 5. So an algebra expression for number of area of n tiles. Okay, so n tiles. If you have the extra area of n tiles, it's going to be 5. Each n has area of 5. So we have to say let n be number of tiles. This is given to be 1750. Therefore, n is going to be 350. There's 350 triangular tiles that make up the mural.